After several attempts to remove the front axle on this 1976 Honda motorcycle with drum brake, I came up with this method. I didn't want to damage the axle or axle sleeve. The previous day, I used PB Blaster and heat with another person on one side and wasn't able to get it loose. Today, without heating, I used 5/16" bolts and nuts and the pipe wrenches. I was able to break it free. The bolts and nuts gave me the surface area to get the grip and leverage I needed without damaging the axle. Do the same on the other side. You ready? Mm-hmm.